talking about cymatics and how they relate to atomic energy, atomic manipulation, and matter. So this is a video from BreastPop. The link will be in the description. This is about cymatic frequencies, and it clearly reads, as the pitch of the tone increases, geometric patterns will form and become more complex. The more complexity is the spacing. The spacing gets smaller and smaller and smaller as the frequency goes higher. Here's 345 hertz, and now we can see that the spacing of the lines or the nodes, the spacing between the nodes is smaller, and now we're at a higher frequency, 1033 hertz. Now, just to save you the grace of watching this video through a YouTube video, we'll go higher and higher, and you can see the spacing becomes less and less and less. This is still in the audible range, for we can hear up to 20,000 hertz, roughly. And he goes up to, I think, he goes up to here, about 6 hertz. Now imagine this lattice, or one of these lati, on the plate being in 3 dimensions, 3D cymatics. 3D cymatics are atomic lati, and they have specific spacing based on their element. John Hutchinson did some work with atomic lati and radio frequencies, and what he found is that if you could stimulate radio frequencies in a specific manner, so to get them to completely cancel each other out, get the 2 radio waves to completely cancel each other out, he could get levitation. He could also manipulate the object to fuse with other materials, so you would have like metal and wood, and the 2 would fuse via radio frequencies. And what's happening is the radio frequencies are in a 3D fashion cymatically adhering and manipulating the atomic lattice, because the spacing between each of these standing nodes is the exact same spacing between the standing nodes of an atomic lattice. So here again, this is using audible frequencies such as 4,129 hertz, and here is the 2-dimensional plate cymatic. But if you have 4,129 hertz in 3 dimensions, then you have an atomic lati for this frequency. And if you go up the scale, if you keep on going up to radio frequencies, is what John Hutchinson was working on, then you can manipulate atomic matter. You can make it turn invisible. You can change the refractive index of matter, the way light refracts within the medium and reflects within the medium. You can change it to be invisible. You can change it to levitate. You can counter gravity. It unlocks whole new material science. This is very elemental and basic. Again, John Hutchinson already done this work. This was contracted out by the government and the secret governments of the world, and maybe I shouldn't say that. I don't know who has it, but I'm guessing somebody has access to this 3D cymatic technology to manipulate the atomic lati of atoms or elements. Anyways, this is more or less conjecture. I hope I'm not coming across as like go, like this is it, this has to be it. This is more conjecture, but it's cymatic theory. It's something that should be considered.